How to log in to Taobao account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Taobao account. To do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open the Taobao application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you will land on this home page. Here you may see the option login at the bottom right. If you didn't see this login button right here, you may also tap on the account option or the icon at the bottom right, and this will take you to the login interface. Now here you will need to enter your country code and your phone number, or you may also use the email instead in order to log into your account. Here I have used my phone number to create an account on it, so I am entering the phone number here. Simply tap on the box and enter your phone number. After entering the phone number, simply tap on the little circle to check and state that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And now tap on this continue button right here. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to wait for the code, and once you receive the code, you will need to enter it in this field. Now it will start verifying the code, and after successful verification of the code, you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see you have successfully been logged into your Taobao account. Now you will be able to access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Taobao account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.